Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to add damage to the M1 system. Last video we went over how to make a dash system that looks somewhat like this. It basically looks like this. You could dash and we added a cooldown to it of 1 second. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this. So each time you punch, it's going to do damage. Well, we're not going to add it to the dash system. We're gonna do that in the next video. So you see that if you punch, you do damage. Now you're gonna see this video that this is gonna be kind of on the client side, and it's gonna be really open to exploits, and it's not one of the best things ever. But this is a beginner series, so I really have to do some basic stuff. But I'm gonna probably make a more advanced series in which I take this like up a notch. Okay, I basically make this thing. I made the things I already made now, but just make them genuinely better. So yeah, if you want me to do that, tell me in the comments, and yeah, I'll get working on it, record it and edit it and then post it. But for now, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications bell, and yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so last video on the M1 system, we got in starter player, starter character scripts. In the input manager, we made these two scripts here, and we got into this M1 script. Right now, we did this. Okay, these two lines of code are probably new for you. You can pause and copy these down. Now I was gonna put like this whole script here in the description, but it is basically nothing. It's basically nothing, so it's like just like basically no lines of code. So I'm just gonna explain it and you can just copy it down, or I may just paste in description entirely, but yeah, I'll see. So get these two here, these two variables. You're gonna need them later. These two variables here, get them, then go down to M1 track after we load the animations here. Okay, just say M1 track get marker signal hit. Okay, but now we have to set up the animations. You see these animations here. Okay, we did the animation folder, we added the animations. So to do this better, you are going to get a plugin, which I'm going to leave in the description, called Animation Spoofer. Okay, you're going to grab the animation ID from here and you're just going to paste it in. Okay, you're basically then going to convert it and it's going to get saved. I already did it, so I'm not going to do it. It's going to get saved. Okay, and replace that and an animation ID that comes up there, replace it here. Then you're gonna add a rig. You're gonna go to avatar animation editor. Okay, here I did this with the, I think this is the last animation. Okay, and at the point where you want the hit to be made, you want the player to get damaged, you're gonna go and just delete this one so I can show how it's done. You're just gonna go and gonna add an animation event here, add event, and I'm gonna call it hit, like this. Click save. Oops, okay, so I'm just gonna make it turn back, hit, like that. Then you're gonna go here, set animation priority, make sure it's action for all of them, and you're gonna do this for every single one of the animations. So go to the plugin, do that, the things I explained. So then you're gonna go to publish to Roblox. This is gonna pop up, and you know how you did those with the animation spoofer plugin? Just override an existing asset and then just put the corresponding one here, and yeah, you're good to go. Then after that, in the M1 script, after you've done this, you're gonna open it up. I did that, and you're gonna just do this. So local hitbox keyframe. Here we wait for the root part of the character, and then we set the the C frame of this human root part, and we multiply it by a new C frame, which is going to be 0, 0, -4. Then we do another variable, local hitbox size. We set its size to vector state.new 6, 6, 6. Then we create a new variable, local create hitbox equals workspace get part bound in box. Okay, this is just used to we're gonna use this to get anything what is inside the hitbox, and we're gonna put in the hitbox C frame and the hitbox size. So these two variables that we just did right here. Then we create a new variable called hums hit, and we set it to empty table, and then here is just gonna store everything. So what we hit is gonna store it. Okay, then for I, v in pairs. So in the create hitbox, we're going to find so v in pairs of the create hitbox. We're gonna find the parent. We're gonna find the humanoid of the v, not parent, and if here I'm checking if the parent of the v has a humanoid, and if the humanoid hum's hit variable here has anything inside of it, which is like a parent.name, and if the v.parent is not a character, then we're gonna get the variable that we did here, this one here, and we're just gonna set to v.parent.name is gonna be the true. And here you can just set what you want for it to happen once it hits someone. So I did here 10 damage, but I think that's way too much, so I'm gonna put that 3. You can do how much damage you can even do, make it do 100 damage, or you can make it do basically 1 million, or what is that? Okay, you can basically make it like do from 10 to maybe like 1 damage, 3 damage, 30 damage. You can honestly decide, but I'm just gonna keep it at 3 because I think that's like the basic one. Then here, these damage RF, you might not have it. So, and here, these two might not work when you do them. So this is why. Look, in here, in the M1 script, script here, you're going to add a new script called a new normal script, server script called a damage, and inside this server script, you're going to add in a remote function, not like a remote event or a remote unwritable remote event, a remote function. There's a remote function, then you can just get the script, the damage script, and the remote damage and the remote function. Then you're gonna invoke the remote function, and inside the damage script you're just gonna get the remote function script, wait for jar remote function. Then on the server invoke, whose function you're gonna add in the player, the character hit, and the damage. So local humanoid, we're gonna find the humanoid, and we're just gonna decrease the humanoid's health by the damage that is set to. So in this case 10, in this case 3, sorry, let me set right here. And that was basically it. Really simple. Okay, so now if you go in your game and test this out, you're going to see that this actually works. So you hit him. Oh, and I explained this in the dash system tutorial, but when you first join the game, the M1s aren't gonna look this good. Like, they don't look good, don't get me wrong, but they're not gonna look like this. So like, let me just try and rejoin the game real quick. They're gonna definitely look different, because like when you first load up, the first couple of M1s are gonna be really bad. Just look at this. Look, like look at that. That is not the problem in the script. I don't know why that happened. It's probably a Roblox Studio bug, but as you can see, after a few M1s, everything just goes back to normal. Okay, so we're done here. So, and hey, tell me in the comments you want to see that advanced tutorial, okay, of this system, because yeah, I'm basically doing this on the client side, and it's not really good, because I told you guys it's going to be really easy for exploiters to get in here and just basically do these stuff with the damage system, just do like a bunch of damage. But hey, I'm probably in the advanced system tutorial, I'll probably make it better and add it to the server side. Okay, and we're gonna create a whole module script for it. We're gonna have a whole hitbox set up for it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.